Okay, so today I'll be trying out the African Braid Lagos Twist. And with this hair, the thing I like about it is that it gives you a two-strand twist look, as you can see here. However, it's actually just curly hair. So yeah, I'm trying this out for the first time on my mom's head because I wanted to see what it's like. Hey, there I am. So I'll be working on my mom, as I said earlier. She wanted to get a hairstyle that is convenient and just easy to style so that she can go to church with. So I'm just parting out this big circle in the center, and that's where I'm gonna do my crochet. So I'm just gonna get that out of the way, put it in a big plait. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead and cornrow her hair upwards. So her natural hair, I'm just gonna give that some small cornrows. Okay, so what I'm gonna do for the next braid is to just slow it down a bit so you can see my hand movement for those that aren't really good with cornrows. So here I slowed the video down a bit to the normal speed. But yeah, let me just speed this up and I'll let you guys see when I'm finished with the cornrows. Okay, so this is how it looks when I'm finished with the cornrows and I brought everything up in one. And now what I'm gonna do is to just cornrow the middle, the center of the head in some big cornrows. I'm gonna give it like 5 cornrows backwards, and then that's how I'm gonna get it crocheted. So as you can see. And for my crochet routine, I'm just gonna do it just as how I always do my crochet braid. If you want to see a tutorial on how I do my crochet braid installation, you can just check out my soft thread video, and I'll put the link in my description box so you can check that out, and there I'll actually show you how to do the installation. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna crochet the Lagos Twist hair in, and that's gonna be in the center of her head, so whenever she's ready she can either wear it up as a ponytail, or she can put it to the side, or she can actually have it as a mohawk. And you don't have to knot the hair more than 2 times. 2 times is enough. So that's the second thing I like about this hair. It's pretty easy to crochet. Okay, so this is the finished look. I couldn't get my mother to stay still for me to get a good final video of it, but as you can see, this is how the finished look is. She actually likes it a lot and it feels extremely light, so I think it's a pretty cute little hairstyle and it was pretty easy to do, so don't mind her making up her face. That's just how she is. Full of attitude. That's where I got my attitude from. I got it from my mama. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, I would like for you to just click on the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more, and check out my other crochet hair and natural hair videos. See you guys in my next video. Thank you. Bye.